Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the day 2 of our journey and I'm already ready. I have to just add my jewelry and look at the mountains behind me. Really excited for today. So in one of these mountains or somewhere, I'm not sure, but in the evening there are lights on the stairs. Okay, the mountain, there's a temple on top of the mountain or somewhere in the middle of the mountain, and there are stairs, so it gets lightened up in the evening. We are going to go there, and I'm not sure how I'm going to travel in this, but yeah, we have a lot of walking to do, so my legs are already hurting. Let's see how today is going. So far the trip is going bomb. I'm really loving it here. Look at the view. How can anyone not like it here? Guys, we have started climbing and there's a lot of sun अभी. पता नहीं इतनी धूप क्यों है, अचानक से गर्मी हो गई. We both are twinning, by the way.
Because we got this dress of the same shop. And it's so hot.
And it's very hot.
Doesn't look like we are in Himachal for some reason.
I can't even imagine मुंबई की क्या हालत होगी.
We're not sweating वाला hot, but वो उमस होती है ना.
हवा गर्म है
हाँ, हवा गर्म.
और धूप बहुत है.
But now we have shade, so it's fine.
हाँ, this whole area is covered. Guys, we are finally in the line for darshan, and yeah. Guys, we've come to the ruined forts of Kangra.
And we've entered. This is the gate.
This is the gate here,
I wonder
and you
how
can
these
see
people-
how the structure of the killa is. Oh my god.
I am wondering how do these people used to construct all this?
We were just talking about it, and if you go to see, even like in old times, people used to live like 150 years, and हमारा तो इतना चलने में ही हम थक जाते हैं.
But
हम
how do
सुबह से इतना थक गए थे कि we were not even planning to come here.
The main problem is how did they have that advanced technology to build? Like
Mind.
right now we have tractors, we have so many advanced equipments, lift, what not, crane, what not to build. But those people,
तूने वो देखा है पहले टाइम में, मतलब वो लोग लकड़े से ही इतना कुछ कुछ ऐसे इंजीनियर कर लेते थे.
मतलब अभी तक वो गीजा के पिरामिड्स अनसॉल्व्ड है कि बनाया कैसे वो लोग ने.
Exactly. Such a beautiful place, yeah. I'll show you all back camera. Old time soldiers used to apparently peep from here through their forts.
Enemies. Yeah.
Might be Mughals. Such a beautiful constructed fort. Oh my god. Look at this.
I was just wondering how to discover this. Come here.
Huh.
So basically guys, this is walkie talkie उस जमाने का. तो यहाँ से सोल्जर्स बोलते थे और दूसरे रूम में सुनाई देता था. Yeah. So advanced these people were, man. Like seriously.
मतलब all the ideas were invented by them only.
Exactly.
हमने सिर्फ उसको मॉडिफाई किया. After the fort, we traveled a little, and then we just did a little bit of sightseeing, and there were some amazing views. I'll try to attach some of them if possible. But now we had our dinner, and we are off. We've prepared our beds, and we are already in our bed. We'll sleep now, and tomorrow we are going to change our location. Our hotel rooms will be changing. We are going to Dharamshala, and before that we'll visit a temple again. That's it for today. See you tomorrow. This is the next morning and we are checking out from our room. This is the outfit there. Outfit? I was doing the packing and I've kept all the suitcase outside. So I'm feeling a little uneasy. But yeah, this is the outfit that I'm wearing. And that are the chappals that I wear on this. Really cute, really demure, liking it, loving it. Bye bye. See you in the next location. We've come to a temple and there's a great view here. There's a pool This is
Kund.
this is a kund and
We are at Chamunda Devi
वहाँ पे एक
temple.
झरना भी है.
We are at Chamunda Devi temple.
Yes. There's one jharna there and a bridge. You can see the bridge from here. I'll show you all the jharna. चल झरना के इधर जाते हैं. This is the jharna I was talking about. And here's the mandir.
नहीं यार कितनी यूनिक आती है मां.
We have finally checked in the room. And look at the washroom, how huge it is.
We can literally have a party over there.
Party in the washroom. Please, Hatu. This is the bed. This is... Yeah, I'm excited to see that curtaining.
The washroom is one bomb.
And the curtain area is so big. See. Oh my god.
My god, bro.
I'll have to mute this.
ये देख इधर है. Go. Balcony है. Walk in. Wow.
Oh my god. The view is to die for, bhai. I feel like the mountains are so close to us. Hi. So this is the view. I love the room, bhai. मुझे लगा वो वाला रूम बेटर है पर ये वाला और बेटर है भाई. बॉम है. हाँ. Guys, the view. Oh my god. I can't get over it. I will never get over it. This is legit the view from my bed. I mean, what else can I pray for? This is everything I prayed for. This is everything I want in life. Look at it. Look at it. This is so beautiful. Guys, the view is insane. मेरे को यहीं पे रहना है. मेरे को यहीं पे छोड़ दो भाई. मैं नहीं, मेरे को घर नहीं जाना.
Enjoy the view.
क्या?
ऐसे enjoy करो view class में.
ऐसी ग्लास में. मतलब the view and I'm so excited to wake up to this tomorrow.
कल जल्दी उठेंगे.
मेरे को सच्ची पता है ऐसे रोने का मन कर रहा है व्यू देख के. इतना प्लेजेंट लग रहा है.
चलो पहले खाना खा. भाई ये view देख.
इसका खाना ही नहीं खत्म हो रहा है. नहीं, बट वी आर लेजिट वेरी हंग्री. हम लोगों ने ब्रेकफास्ट किया था एंड इट्स ऑलरेडी ऑलमोस्ट 4 एंड हमारा लंच अभी तक नहीं हो पाया है. बट द व्यू गाइस.
Yes, this is sheep.
I've ordered. क्या था? Shit, I forgot. Chicken mokto. I guess I'm pronouncing it correct, but yeah, I've ordered this. And it's smelling so good, so good. And this is something I'm trying for the first time, so I just wanted to vlog about it. Give you all a review. Oh my god, this is so good. Yeah, I think you all should try this.
मुझे नहीं करना उस try में.
This is too good. It has like chicken. Oh, this is very hot. It has like chicken pieces and stuff. And Sakshi ordered cold coffee because she's not feeling like eating something, so she'll just have coffee and sleep. This is too good, bye guys. Guys, so now we are chilling. I was just doing my office work. I didn't go anywhere after reaching the hotel room. मेरी बात सच हो गई कि मैं तो ये होटल रूम कहीं छोड़ के नहीं जाऊँगी. मैं तो यहीं व्यू में बैठूँगी. And these guys went and they went for shopping. But apparently the sellers here are not ready to bargain. I don't know why, and they are putting very expensive prices. Like jackets were for 2000 something, no? 1600 for jackets. And I don't mind, but वो look भी तो होना चाहिए ना उसमें 1600 वाला.
They're not ready to bargain at all.
And they're not ready to bargain at all. And they were normal shops. So they just got fridge magnets. They even bought it for me. That's it. Now we'll chill. We were just checking out some photos of ours, helping Simran to put her story.
Very tiring day, guys. Very tiring day,
Very
but
tiring day.
our room view is gonna heal us.
Can't wait for morning.
इधर का exhaust
This is Sejal. We didn't know she's in the room. और वो अचानक से जब बाथरूम का ये खुला, मैं ऐसे हो गई 2 मिनट के लिए. What is happening? क्या हो रहा है? ये डालने वाली हूँ मैं. डालूंगी मैं, कट नहीं करने वाली. So yeah, guys, मैं शूट कर रही हूँ यार. तो आज का दिन बेसिकली क्या हुआ कि मेरे मैनेजर ने मेरे को थोड़ा सा एस्केलेट कर दिया है बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट बीइंग एबल टू कनेक्ट कॉल्स एंड शेयर द रिपोर्ट एज अर्ली एज आई डू. लाइक फर्स्ट हाफ में मेरा जाना चाहिए रिपोर्ट, बट इट वॉज गोइंग अराउंड 4-5 और आज तो मैंने भेजा ही नहीं बिकॉज आई वॉज हैविंग अ रियली बैड हेडेक. वाइल कमिंग ईयर एक्चुअली पहाड़ों पे ट्रैफिक मिल गया हमको. तो पहाड़ों का ट्रैफिक मतलब इट वॉज लाइक कि इट्स जस्ट वन vehicle could fit that road. वो इतना
It was a one-way road.
and one way road में people were coming and going both in and out दोनों चालू था. तो उसमें it was so difficult and हमारा van था. It was not even some small car or something कि कहीं से भी कट मार के निकाल लो. and there were very narrow roads and some roads were even damaged. तो मतलब एकदम ऐसे टक से मौत को छू के वापस आना. That was the case. And so when we finally checked in the room, our energies were like this hyped up, looking at the view and all stuff. And then they changed. They even told me to come, but then मेरी मैनेजर मतलब इन अ गुड वे शी टोल्ड मी कि ऐसा ऐसा है, द वर्क इज़ पेंडिंग, सो मतलब ख़त्म कर दो. एंड आई एम टेकिंग अ लीव ऑन फ्राइडे. सो फ्राइडे सैटरडे संडे का बहुत ज़्यादा बर्डन हो जाता था मंडे को. एंड इवन आई कुड हैव गॉटन एस्केलेशंस और स्टफ. सो या that was it for today I guess. Now dinner का हमें पता नहीं. after 2-3 days हमने आज वेज खाया पहली बार, दाल राइस, and that was epic. बहुत अच्छी थी. सरप्राइजिंगली यहाँ की दही बहुत अलग अच्छी है, गाढ़ी बहुत है. एंड इट्स लाइक कि बहुत मतलब मुंह में डालती है खट्टापन नहीं है उसमें जितना मुंबई की दही में होता है. मतलब फ्रेश और बहुत, हाँ फ्रेश और एकदम वैसे अलग ही उसका टेक्सचर था. सिमरन खाती ही बोलती आइसक्रीम. Now we'll go get dinner and then we'll talk a little. That's it for this vlog I guess. I'll make another video. This is a vlog of 2 days. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Guys say bye.
Bye.
इसको अलग से बोलना पड़ेगा.
भाई रुको. Bye.
Bye. We are very tired. We are very cranky.
If she was not my friend, I would have just.
Bye guys.
Guys, jaldhi.